To transfer crypto from Swyftx to Ledger Nano X, you need to follow a series of steps. First, ensure you have a Swyftx account and a Ledger Nano X device. The Ledger Nano X is a hardware wallet that provides an additional layer of security for your cryptocurrency. Begin by accessing your Swyftx account and navigating to the withdrawal section. Here, you will select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. It is crucial to choose the correct cryptocurrency, as transferring the wrong type can result in loss of funds. Next, you need to obtain the wallet address from your Ledger Nano X. To do this, connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the provided USB cable and open the Ledger Live application. If you have not already, install the application for the cryptocurrency you are transferring. In the Ledger Live application, navigate to the Receive section and select the cryptocurrency you are transferring. The application will then display the wallet address for that cryptocurrency on your Ledger Nano X. This address is unique to your device and the specific cryptocurrency. Copy the wallet address from the Ledger Live application and return to your Swyftx account. In the withdrawal section, paste the wallet address into the address field. Double-check that the address is correct, as an incorrect address can result in the loss of your cryptocurrency. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer and select the withdrawal option. Depending on the cryptocurrency and network conditions, the transfer may take some time to complete. Once the transfer is initiated, you can track the progress in the Ledger Live application. The application will update in real time as the transaction is processed. It is essential to follow best practices when transferring cryptocurrency, including verifying the wallet address and using a secure connection. Additionally, ensure your Ledger Nano X is updated with the latest firmware and that you have enabled the necessary security features, such as two-factor authentication. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can securely transfer your cryptocurrency from Swyftx to your Ledger Nano X. This provides an additional layer of security and protection for your assets, giving you peace of mind and control over your cryptocurrency.